All right, here we are. This is a Honda Grom dirt bike made by Honda. And as you can see, we have the keys made. It's going to use a HD 109 key blank. And there's 8 wafers in there. And boy, they're pretty tough. So what you want to do, there's no code. The little number that you see right there is not the code at all. You're actually going to take this. They actually just crimp the metal around that pin. See, uncrimp it, pull it apart, and then that pin pulls straight out, and that will release the cylinder. You can pull the cylinder straight out of here, then fit the key, slide it back in the exact same way you took it out, so it'll tie into the electrical switch in the back. Push the pin back down in there, and put a little glue around it to hold it in, and boom, you are done. So there it is, Honda Grom, ignition, keys made, right there. Mr. Sunshine Locksmith, Eddy, 561-693-8636.